Bumper's coming off. Let's do it. 24 Prius. We already popped the hood, and we're going to get the little latch, which is right there, and pull this guy. Let's start playing around. We're gonna have to pull these guys off. Let's pull this guy off and see what we're up against. Do we need tools for this? Let's see. It's brand new. Yeah, let's get a hook tool. My favorite one. This puppy. I love this thing. Gotta get this thing. I'm gonna pop these guys out. Come on. Ooh. That's one. Tray. Go around. Let's go around. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're up. I'm sure we got more. 10 mil, 10 mil. I'm sure this has got to come out too. So let's keep going. Let's get these guys out. All right, so we started. She's coming undone already. All right, 10 mils are out in our little tray over there. These guys just pop with clips out towards you. So you can see this wing. That wing is coming out. You see? Do the same thing on this side. We're gonna come work on this over here. Pull these guys out. Maybe turn the wheel. See what we're up against. 1 out, 2 out. It's already starting to come off. Another one down here. These guys. And a 10 mil. 10 mil here. 10. 10. All the way around. Let's get them off. I have that attachment, which makes it so much easier. But you can use a ratchet. Either way. We got these guys out. She's already starting to come. So let's keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And they're all the way around. See? All the way around. And she's starting to come undone. We're starting to undress her. So let's go. Let's finish her around. Alright. 3 push pins. 1 in the corner, like the other side. 1 this way, 1 that way. And we got this guy up and out. Another push pin right there. Same on the other side. Let's go get him out. So you have to pull this guy out of the actual bumper. You see? Just like I did on the other side. So she can just hang. You see? 1 more push pin. Let's try to get this puppy off. He said that arm is coming off. Alright, so we got all of them out. Here's a recap. Last push pin. Pull this guy out of the way, just leave him hang. Alright, so we got everything out and about. Uh-oh. This just pops in. Clip, clip. These reds. All clip. They pop into here. Alright, we got our mat. So, let's pull this guy out. But, what I like about Toyota nowadays, they're doing this. They're giving you clips. So you can remove everything from the bumper up here. So you can remove all this stuff from up top. Let's try to get these guys out. Alright, this puppy looks kind of hard, but it's not. Clip is over here. But it sits in this way. That's probably your camera or your sensing system. Here you go. 1 last plug. Let's get this guy off. I won. There she goes. So, rest of his clips. Just pull them off. Get everything out of the way. Headlights coming out. 1, 2, and 3. And good thing the bumper's off because the screw fell. Now this one is what you need to take out for the rest of it. Right there. Top one. Not the bottom one. I took the bottom one off. But it's the top one. And with some weaseling, you You got to pull this guy outward, and this one sort of over this hook, and the headlight will come out. So let's do that with our hand, both of our hands, so that I don't want to do nothing to jeopardize. Can we do it with one hand? Here we go. Check this out. You just sort of have to. Here you go. Oh, come on, puppy. You don't want to bend the fender. And there you have it. Some clips. Let's get these clips out of the way. See what's going on. And there's nothing you can replace other than the whole headlight. So let's put her down. Come on, you big girl. Let's put her down. So there you have it. Took her eyeball out. The rest was 2 clips. You guys can handle this. And pull it out of the headlight. And there you go. There you have it. So we're going to put her back just to show you that we weren't here. And just like that, she goes back. So 1, 2, and 3. There you go. We were never here. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.